Hi, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this is my 2014 Mazda 3. Today I'm going to replace the windshield wipers. Notice that there are two different sized wipers. The wipers cost a few dollars each. I got these at Costco, and you can get them at many different places. The longer wiper goes on the driver's side, and the shorter wiper goes on the passenger side. It's not a very hard job at all. Let's get started. So to get started, notice there's this catch on top, this rectangular catch. You can try to pop it off with a fingernail, but if you can't get it off with a fingernail, you can always use a flat blade screwdriver and pop it off. Once you have it up like that, you need to pull the wiper down, rotate it, and take it off. Now to put it back on, it's the opposite of how you removed it. Get the hook in like that, shove it up, and snap the catch back down. The Goodyear wipers that I bought come out of the package ready to go onto a hook mount like the Mazda has. But in order to do it, you have to get this adapter piece out. To get it out, just tip it up as far as you can and pull it out. Now you have to get this adapter into the hook. So set the wiper down, push the adapter in all the way forward, get the wiper, now put the wiper in, rotate it, and it snaps in place. To remove the wiper on the passenger side, I'm just going to go ahead and use the screwdriver to pop up the catch. Now, because it's the opposite side of the car, you need to push it forward, rotate it out, and there you go. There you go. It's not a hard job at all. Hey everyone, I'm Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.